Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Mom vs Goody. So after a long gap we are back with an interesting painting session. So today we are going to do a Buddha painting, a very colorful Buddha. For this we are going to use the glass colors. So let me just describe the things that we need for this painting. So they are very simple. I'm just going to use the Fevicryl water based glass colors, and then we need a carbon paper, a pencil, and this is the design sheet. I'm going to trace this design sheet, and for the base I've taken a 12 by 16 canvas board. So these are the things that we are going to use today. So the first step that we are going to do is we are going to keep this design sheet on top of the canvas board, and then I'm going to place the tracing paper in between the canvas board and the design sheet, and I'm going to start tracing the design one by one from the left side to the right side. So when I'm drawing the design, I'm just giving the outlines. I'm not going to give the inner detailed lines and everything. So those things we can do it as we do our painting. So once our tracing is done, I'm going to use a 3D black outliner, and we are going to give a thin outline for the whole design. So just make sure that you give a straight line without any breakups in between, because in case when we are filling up with the glass colors, in case if there is any gap in between, the colors will come out. So let's fill up the whole design with this black outline first. So now we have completed outlining the whole picture with the 3D black outliner. So the next step is we have to allow this to dry out completely, and then we are going to proceed with filling with the glass colors. So now the whole thing is dried, the outline. So before going on to the coloring portion, now I'm just going to add some textures to this painting. So for giving textures, I'm using the fabric glue. So with this, I'm just going to give some random patterns inside each and every design. So since we are using the fabric glue, once it dries off, we'll get a transparent textures alone. So first I'm just covering the tree portions, and I'm giving some random lines. So leaving aside the face of Buddha, we are just going to cover the rest of the picture with some textures. And then for example, on this leaf, I'm just giving some slanting lines. So once it dries off, it will give a lovely image to your picture once you fill up with the glass colors. And onto the next side, I'm giving in the opposite direction. So kindly remember, for giving the textures, please do not use the 3D liners or any other tubes, because those would never be transparent. Only the fabric glue will become transparent. And for the lotus inside, I'm just filling up with some designs. So likewise, we are going to complete the entire pattern. So now we have completed giving textures to each and every part of the design except the Buddha face and his body. So the next step is we have to allow this to dry for some time, most probably 15 to 20 minutes, and then let's go on to the next step. So now after giving the impressions, everything has dried. I think hope everyone can see it. So now let's continue with the coloring. So first we are going to start with the tree branches. So for this I am taking out brown and golden yellow. So I am going to mix two colors. So first what I am going to do is I am taking brown and I am randomly giving some lines here and there. Whenever you come across any air bubbles like this, just burst it with our fingers. And then I'm going to take golden yellow and I'm going to merge both the colors together. So when you do it like this, you will get a superb effect for the tree. You will get a natural effect. So we need not mix it or merge it with the brushes. So just do it one by one. Don't apply brown color for all the branches and then go in for golden yellow to mix it. Then it would have dried easily. Now after completing this, the next step is we are just going to cover the mid portion of the branches with brown alone. Now I'm going to use golden yellow and orange. So the same way as we merged brown and yellow, now for the background, I'm just going to give a light sunny effect. So first I'm taking bits of orange and then to that I'm going to add golden yellow and mix it along with. So once these glass colors dry off, you can get a clear view of the textures that you have given in the background with the fabric glue. So just take care that you just burst out the small air bubbles that form in and around. So I think you can see the swirls that we have done with the fabric glue below. Same way, I'm going to just add a tint of this orange and then continue with the golden yellow. Now leaving Buddha, we are going to start coloring the flowers, leaves and the ground portion. So for this, first I'm going to take pink and white for coloring the lotus part. So the same way as we did for the above, I'm just going to mix two colors. So these two shadings, when we merge two colors, we'll get the effect, we'll get a lovely effect there. So I'm just applying pink color on the down half portion, and then I'm going to take white and I'm just merging it and filling the upper portion. Just merge it so that it should not be seen as there are two colors. Just merge it with the bottle itself. So first we are going to color the same way for all the lotus flowers, and then let's go on to the next portion. Now I'm going to use tomato red and white, and I'm going to color this hibiscus flower. Just add a little of red on the lower end, and then I'm going to add white. So now we have completed the whole of the base except Buddha. So we are going to start coloring Buddha. I'm going to use green and light blue for this. So first I'm going to take light blue and I'm applying little here and there, and I'm going to mix more of green. So I'm just merging both the colors. So we are going to take this combination for the whole of the head. Hope you all enjoyed our session today. So do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get the recent updates of our channel. So meet you all in another interesting work of Buddha or anything else. Bye bye. Take care. Bye. Yeah.